Hey guys, welcome to the DMX Show. I'm your host Shane. Today I'm going to show you guys IceCreamSandwich for the Droid Bionic. This is built by the developer DHacker29. He has built this on the latest update for the Droid Bionic 5.9.902, so you need to be on that version of Gingerbread. You need to be rooted, and you need to have either SAFESTRAP recovery or Bootstrap recovery already installed on your device. On the installation guide at the very end of this video, I will be installing it via Bootstrap Recovery. DHacker has built in second init recovery support for this ROM so that it can be used as a primary ROM, and that's what I'm doing on my phone because I can live without a camera. If you cannot live without a camera, install it on your SAFESTRAP so it can be your secondary ROM. But anyhow, let's jump into this. So the first thing you'll notice here that's different in IceCreamSandwich, well, first we need to get this thing focused in. First thing you'll notice is different is the lock screen. This is the IceCreamSandwich lock screen. If we go to settings and about phone, you'll see that the Android version is 4.0.3. So that means we're on IceCreamSandwich. There's a few awesome things about this ROM here. You can see that it has the IceCreamSandwich application dock, or application drawer, I should say. It has a few extra things in here, like this Bluetooth SEO app. It's got dev tools, and what else did it have in here? Anything extra? Google Music, and it looks like that's about it. It's got a good version of Google Talk here. So we'll go into settings, and there's a few settings here. There's not a ton of customization because this is still an early build of IceCreamSandwich for the Bionic, and DHacker still has it in alpha. Even though it is a daily driver, it's as good as a daily driver to me. It has 4G LTE connectivity, 3G connectivity. It takes and receives calls. The only thing it's missing is the camera. I can live without a camera. If you can't live without a camera, it may not be a daily driver for you, but it is for me. So under launcher, this is the Trey Boucher launcher. This is from CyanogenMod 9. And if you go to home screen, there's some things that you can do here. You can change the number of home screens. You can change your default home screens. You can take the search bar, the persistent search bar, which is there, and it's on every screen. If you don't like that, you can actually take that away by going into settings and launcher and just unchecking that box. That will remove the persistent search screen. If you have like a Galaxy Nexus and you've been on IceCreamSandwich for a while, that thing gets annoying. So for me, I just remove it. You can change your transition effect. There's all kinds of transition effects in there that you can change. So there's several cool things here in the app drawer. You can change the transition effect. I kind of like the stack effect that comes stock with it. There's a theme option which isn't working yet, but it will work in the future. For any of you guys that ran CM7, you know about the theme changer. That's what this is going to be. This will be like a theme changer for CM9. Under system, you can change some things in the notification drawer. And you can change some things on the, well, you will be able to change some things on the lock screen. Like I said, this is still an early build, and you can change the font size. So like I said, not a ton of customization options yet for this build, but this is being built. So this thing is being worked on. It is still alpha. It's not everything that DHacker wants it to be, but you can use this as your daily driver. If you pull down the notification menu, you see that you have some toggle widgets here, which includes the LTE toggle, so you can toggle LTE off if you'd like to save some battery power. And also, if you press the power button, you do have the reboot options here, which include screenshot. That's stock on IceCreamSandwich. If you go into reboot, you can actually reboot recovery or reboot bootloader, which is really cool as well. Alright guys, that is IceCreamSandwich on the Droid Bionic. So very quickly, I'm going to show you guys how to install this on your Bionic. So you need to be rooted. Obviously, you need to have Bootstrap recovery. You must be on version 5.9.902. It's not going to work unless you are. So we'll go ahead and install the Droid Bootstrap recovery. And once that is installed, we'll go ahead and open that up. This is the Bionic Bootstrap Recovery. So you'll hit Bootstrap Recovery, allow access, and then reboot recovery. And you'll flash this like you would any other ROM. If you're on SAFESTRAP, I do have a SAFESTRAP ROM flashing tutorial that you'll want to check out. You can find it there on the channel. But if you're in Bootstrap and you're familiar with flashing ROMs, then you already know what to do here. Okay, so you'll go to Wipe, Data, Factory Reset, select that. Then you'll head down to Yes, Delete All User Data. I'm going to go back since I already have it installed. Wipe Cache Partition. Then you go to Yes, Wipe Cache. When that's finished, you'll go back. Then you'll go to Advanced, Wipe Dalvik Cache. Get down to Yes, Wipe Dalvik Cache. When that's finished, you'll go back. Then you'll go to Install Zip from SD card. Choose Zip from SD card. And you're looking for this 902 ICS 403 R1 CM Targa 2012. You'll go to Yes, install that. That takes about 5 minutes. Then you'll go back, choose it from SD card again, and make sure that you install this G-Apps. Now you can find both of those files at the link in the description. So do not reboot the phone before flashing the G-Apps. Go ahead and select Yes, and then go back. Once that's all finished, you'll go back and reboot the system. So guys, thanks for watching the DMX show. Check out DroidModderX.com for all the latest in news, ROMs, and mods, and hacks for your Android device. Be sure to follow me on Twitter at DroidModderX with an E not a 3. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and also be sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks, guys.